Hello guys, welcome to the video on market structure. We'll dive into a few concepts about market structure, and then we'll do the theoretical part, then we'll go on to the charts and see how we implement what we learn in theory. So market structure is considered a cornerstone of price action trading and serves as the foundation for nearly every trading decision or every decision made by traders in this field. A deep understanding of market structure is crucial for those serious about mastering price action. When the market is in an uptrend, the structure will display a series of higher highs and higher lows, signaling a bullish market where prices are expected to continue rising. Conversely, in a downtrend, the market structure will exhibit a sequence of lower highs, and lower lows, indicating a bearish market. The key to successful price action trading lies in recognizing changes in the market structure where the market signals to you that it will likely reverse from being a bearish trend to a bullish trend. A market structure shift is a crucial moment in price action trading, where the price gives traders the first indication that the trend may reverse. These breaks can be identified across all time frames, but their effectiveness in shifting the market direction increases with higher time frames. Market structure breaks serve as key signals for price action traders, providing valuable insight into potential changes in market direction. By recognizing these breaks, traders can better position themselves to capitalize on these shifts, helping maximize their profits and minimize their risk. Okay, so very important you hear me use the following terms interchangeably: market structure shift or break of market structure. Sometimes I'll throw in change of character, but those are two specific incidents or instances. Okay, so here we have a bullish market structure where the price is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, there's liquidity resting below this low, liquidity resting above that high, but in a bullish market structure we expect price to take out these liquidity and continue moving higher. Okay, this is a more complex scenario of this on top, where you'll see not a very clear trend. In most cases, this is what's happening in the markets. It's not a very clear trend. It's not as simple as market creating higher highs and higher lows. The bearish scenario is just the opposite of the bullish scenarios. Price is creating the lower highs and lower lows, and this is the a complex version or complex scenario of the above. So obviously, the thumb up indicates a strong high or a strong low. In this instance, it's a strong low because this high didn't take out this low. So this is also a strong low because this high didn't take out this low. These are considered weak highs because this low took out the previous high. Okay. And this is what I mean when I say market structure shift. Okay, so we need to see a break and close below market structure, a body close below market structure. Okay, so if this is the low, we want to see the price break and close below this market structure. If price does this, it is considered a liquidity rate. We want to see price trade below with a body and close below with a body. Okay, this is for a bearish scenario, and a bullish scenario is just the opposite of that, but the same concept. We want to see a body close above the market structure high. Okay, market structure low, body close below, market structure high, body close above. Okay, so this is the theoretical part. We'll delve into theory in the next video, into practical part in the next video. Thank you.